Let's talk about a project that has been quietly and steadily amassing one of the largest and most engaged communities in the entire cryptocurrency space. This isn't your typical overnight sensation or flash-in-the-pan project fueled by hype alone. This is a long-term play, a slow burn, that has been building momentum under the radar for quite some time. I'm talking about the Pi network. For years, Pi network was often dismissed by many in the crypto world as a perpetual beta project, something that would never truly launch or deliver on its promises. It faced its fair share of criticism and skepticism, with some even labeling it as vaporware. However, recent developments and significant progress within the Pi network ecosystem are starting to force even the most hardened skeptics and naysayers to sit up and pay attention. The narrative is shifting and people are starting to take notice. So, what exactly is Pi's core promise? What is it that has attracted so many users to this project? The central idea behind Pi network is to create a cryptocurrency that anyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources, can easily mine directly on their smartphone. This eliminates the need for expensive and specialized mining hardware, like those power-hungry ASIC miners that dominate the Bitcoin landscape. This accessible and user-friendly approach has allowed Pi network to build a massive and rapidly growing user base. We're talking about a community that now numbers in the tens of millions of users worldwide. This is a scale of adoption that most cryptocurrency projects can only dream of achieving. It puts Pi network in a unique position within the crypto ecosystem. And now, with the highly anticipated open Mainnet launch finally on the horizon, the stakes are higher than ever before. The big question that everyone is asking is, can this massive and engaged community actually translate into real-world economic value and utility for the Pi network? The current enclosed Mainnet period has been instrumental in fostering the development of a growing ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps are designed to provide various utilities and services to the Pi network community. This is a crucial step in moving Pi network beyond just a concept and towards becoming a truly useful and practical cryptocurrency with real-world applications. Today, we're going to cut through all the hype and speculation surrounding Pi network. We'll take a close look at Pi's available market data, analyze its unique supply dynamics, and examine the current state of its ecosystem. Our goal is to determine whether Pi network is truly on the verge of a major breakthrough and widespread adoption. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of Pi network. To understand Pi network, let's start with the numbers. Pi's IOU price on exchanges sits around $40, but remember, this isn't the official open Mainnet price. These IOUs reflect market sentiment, not actual Pi tokens. Pi's total supply is capped at 100 billion, designed for global use and affordable transactions. Most tokens are allocated to the community, reinforcing Pi's grassroots ethos. Only Pi migrated to KYC-verified wallets and not locked up is truly circulating, making liquid supply extremely scarce. This scarcity fuels price volatility and anticipation. The IOU market cap, if calculated, would be in the billions, purely speculative until open Mainnet. What's clear? The market sees huge potential even before Pi is fully operational. The data shows a project with immense, pent-up energy. Pi's token lockup mechanism is a strategic masterstroke. When users migrate to Mainnet, they can lock up their Pi for extra mining rewards. The longer and larger the lockup, the bigger the boost. This incentivizes long-term thinking and network stability, not quick sell-offs. Unlike other projects that see price crashes at launch, Pi's lockup system aims to create a stable price floor. The locked supply is a massive vote of confidence from the community. Millions are choosing to make their Pi illiquid, signaling belief in future value. This transforms users from passive holders to active long-term stakeholders. It's a unique approach to building a resilient crypto economy. The scale of locked Pi is staggering. A majority of pioneers have locked up their coins, often for years. This isn't accidental, it's a culture of patience and collective vision. Everyday users, not institutions, are driving this grassroots movement. Their lockups show deep trust in the project's future and the team's ability to deliver. As more Pi is locked, liquid supply shrinks, potentially boosting price and attracting developers. This creates a virtuous cycle: more apps, more demand, more reasons to hold Pi. The locked supply is a defense against pump-and-dump schemes and shows rare maturity in crypto. Pioneers see themselves as builders of a new digital economy. Their commitment signals they're here for the long haul. Let's take a closer look at the Pi IOU price chart. We're going to analyze recent price action and try to decipher what the charts are telling us about potential future movements. Remember, technical analysis is just one piece of the puzzle, but it can offer valuable insights into market sentiment. After an initial surge, a period of excitement and rapid price appreciation, the price has settled into a long period of consolidation. A phase where the price isn't making significant upward or downward moves. This sideways movement is characterized by trading within a defined range, bouncing between established support and resistance levels. Buyers step in at support, preventing further declines, while sellers emerge at resistance, capping upward potential. While this consolidation can be boring for day traders who thrive on volatility and quick profits, this period of stability is often a healthy sign for long-term growth and sustainability. It suggests a more considered and less speculative market. Consolidation often means the asset is gradually moving from the hands of impatient speculators who are looking for quick gains to committed holders who believe in the long-term potential of the project. This shift in ownership helps in building a solid foundation for future growth. For Pi, this price stability is occurring alongside significant ecosystem growth, with new applications and utilities being developed within the Pi network. And it's also happening in parallel with continued community expansion, as more and more people join the Pi network and become active participants. Such periods of consolidation often precede major price moves, significant breakouts either to the upside or the downside. Think of it like a compressed spring, coiling tighter and tighter, storing energy and building potential for a powerful release. The direction of the eventual breakout will ultimately depend on Pi's underlying fundamentals, the strength of its technology, its adoption rate, and its overall utility. And of course, on the progress and successful launch of the open Mainnet. While nothing is ever guaranteed in the world of cryptocurrency, and past performance is not indicative of future results, this base building and extended period of consolidation can be interpreted as a sign of increasing market maturity and growing confidence in the project. The longer the period of consolidation lasts, the more significant the eventual breakout is likely to be. It's like building a stronger and more stable launchpad for future price discovery and upward momentum. As always, all eyes are keenly focused on the progress of the open Mainnet launch, which is widely anticipated to be the next major catalyst for Pi network. So while things may seem quiet now, this calm may not last much longer. The charts reveal a story of patience and accumulation. Pi's support level is held firm. Buyers step in at every dip, showing strong belief in the project. Resistance is tested but not decisively broken, indicating sellers lack conviction. This tug-of-war creates a tight trading channel. Low, steady volume suggests committed holders are accumulating, waiting for a trigger. A breakout above resistance, especially on high volume, would be a bullish signal. The technicals align with Pi's fundamental narrative, a project quietly building toward a major move. Investors are watching closely for the next chapter. For lasting value, a cryptocurrency needs real utility, and Pi is delivering. The team is focused on building a developer community and launching Pi apps that integrate with the Pi wallet. We're seeing decentralized marketplaces, games, and social platforms where Pi is the currency. Projects like Pi Chain Mall let users barter goods and services, giving Pi real-world value. With millions of KYC-verified users, developers have a ready-made audience. This network effect accelerates ecosystem growth. More apps, more users, more demand for Pi. Pi is evolving from an investment to a key for a new digital economy. Sustainable, organic growth is Pi's biggest strength. Pi Network's evolution is a fascinating journey, a testament to the power of vision and community. It's a story of continuous adaptation and growth in the rapidly evolving landscape of Web3. Is a compelling case study, showcasing how a decentralized project can be nurtured from its initial concept to a thriving ecosystem. It offers valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities inherent in building a digital currency and platform from scratch. In building a Web3 ecosystem from the ground up, it's a practical example of how to leverage blockchain technology to create a more inclusive and accessible financial system. The project's approach to decentralization and community governance provides a unique model for others to follow. What started as mobile mining, a simple and accessible way for users to earn Pi on their smartphones, is now a platform for decentralized apps and payments, offering a wide range of functionalities and services to its users. This transition highlights the project's ambition to become a comprehensive Web3 ecosystem. Pi's tech stack, carefully designed and continuously refined, SDKs, payment APIs, are built to be developer-friendly, makes it easy for developers to integrate Pi into their apps, fostering innovation and expanding the ecosystem's capabilities. This ease of integration is crucial for attracting developers and building a vibrant app ecosystem. The Pi browser acts as a portal, a gateway to a curated world of dApps, providing users with a seamless and secure browsing experience within the Pi network. All powered by a single currency, creating a unified and cohesive user experience. This simplifies transactions and encourages greater participation within the ecosystem. Users mine Pi, contributing to the network's security and decentralization, then spend it directly within the ecosystem, seamlessly and efficiently, no complex wallets or gas fees, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. This ease of use is a key differentiator for Pi Network. This closed-loop economy, where Pi is both earned and spent within the network, creates value and utility, driving adoption and fostering a sustainable economic model. Before Open Mainnet even launches, demonstrating the potential of the Pi ecosystem even in its pre-launch phase. Pi's phased approach, carefully planned and executed community first, building a strong and engaged user base, then currency, establishing a functional and accessible digital currency, then marketplace, creating a vibrant ecosystem for commerce and innovation, sets it apart, positioning it as a unique and compelling player in the Web3 space. Each step is deliberate, carefully considered to maximize impact and minimize risk, building a sustainable foundation for long-term growth and success. The transformation from mining app, a simple entry point for users, to Web3 platform is well underway, showcasing the project's commitment to innovation and its potential to disrupt the traditional financial system. The real question, the one that everyone is asking, how big will Pi's ecosystem become? How far will its reach extend once Open Mainnet arrives? The possibilities seem limitless. So is Pi Network the future of digital currency or just hype? The project has built a massive, engaged community, rare in crypto. Voluntary token lockups and a growing ecosystem show real conviction and progress. Pi's fundamentals-first approach is a refreshing change from hype-driven projects, but skepticism remains. The long development timeline and pending Open Mainnet launch are real hurdles. The IOU price is just sentiment. The true test comes when Pi trades freely on major exchanges. Converting a huge user base into a thriving economy is a monumental challenge. Whether you hold Pi